5G support training, 5G tech sales support training. This is a special course designed for sales and tech sales support. Presented by Tonex Training. 5G for Sales and Tech Sales Support is a 2-day technical instructional class covering the 5G and 4G and 5G migration procedures. This course tends to the necessities of technical sales and designing support staff who require an outline of 5G technology. As of December 19, 2019, the significant bearers in the quantity of U.S. urban communities they spread with 5G looks something like this. Verizon 22 urban areas now, 8 additional urban communities soon. AT&T 25 urban areas now, 3 all the more soon. Sprint 9 urban communities. T-Mobile 6. For those in 5G sales and tech sales, it has been a basic however here and there confounding excursion in understanding how the different transporters plan their migration from 4G to 5G. Course designed for. This is a special course designed for sales and tech sales support. Course agenda. 5G in a nutshell. 4G, 5G migration strategies. 5G core. EPC versus 5GC, main differences. 5G signaling. Cellular IDE. Request more information regarding 5G tech sales and support leaning training. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.